god, there's 4! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone, Matthew here, and welcome back to another Minecraft Let's Play video, and welcome to episode 16, I believe. Wow, we're getting through these episodes. Now, I only plan to do 20 episodes, but if you would like me to go ahead and do more episodes, then please do let me know in the comments. We are planning to play a few different games, such like Fortnite, Robocraft, GDA, and a few other things like that. Andrew, you've just now put yourself in the video. Well done.
Nice, thank you. Give me a shout out, people.
Yes, shout out to my bro. Right, anyway, speaking of shout outs, today I would like to go ahead and shout out the following people today. My bro, my friend Bushy, my friend, I don't know how, this is going to be really embarrassing if I say this wrong. It's Shy, I think it is. I can't pronounce it right. Shy. I'm so sorry, I can't pronounce it right. I feel horrible for that. I'd like to also shout out, yes, I think that was everyone who wanted a shout out this week. And if these come up to my head, then I will remember. Other than that, thank you to everyone who has been subscribing and supporting the channel. We have just hit 89 subscribers during this recording, so fingers crossed we hit 90 very soon. We might have some encoding issues today, I'm not sure, but we'll definitely see how that goes, because I have downloaded a newer version of OBS, which has helped things a lot. Right, so let's get on with today's video. Now, today I want to do something a little bit more different. Come on, Spot. No, that's not Spot. That's Samuel. Today I wanted to do something a little bit more different. I want to go ahead and clear this area over here and build some housing, building, farming, fencing, all kinds of fun things. I want to kind of build things because that's what Minecraft is about completely. But I just really want to start getting into things. Oh, and guess what? I was in creative mode. Oh dear. Whoops. What? Right, let's try that again, shall we? Much better. So let's get back to what we were doing. And oh gosh, everything's getting incorrect. Okay, so let's mine this. Now, what I want to do is I want to clear an area. I want to build a storage shed so I can store everything because I'm running out of space. So I want to clear these trees away. And I've also had a request as well to make the video shorter, so we're probably going to do 10-minute episodes now. And speaking of which, I've just remembered to myself, I'd like to shout out my whole entire CAD class. Congrats, guys. I think you'll probably remember. And so, well done to all of us. You guys have done incredibly well. And fingers crossed that hopefully by the time I've edited and rendered this, it will come out on Saturday, because I think I did promise them that it would come out on that day. But due to our internet being so slow, it can be an issue. Look how fast I can do that. Okay. Also, I'd like to build a bridge as well. So, yes. Anyway. Speaking of bridge, I think Andrew might want to do that. Andrew, you're good at designing things in Minecraft, aren't you?
I don't know, it's been a while.
Well, could you build a bridge?
Yeah.
Huh, we'll see how that goes. Right, so the area's clearing up a bit. Oh, I missed it, even though I did actually mine all of that, so... Oh, no, I didn't. So just gonna literally just cut trees down, I think, most of the time. And make sure the place is looking good, and, well, clean this place up so it's pretty much a bare patch to work with. So we'll do the same here. And we're gonna get this place prepared so we can actually start working. There's the lovely world. And all the farms and stuff. So I want to build some. I'd like to build. Now the rendering settings are having some more issues again. So you might have just noticed a slight delay in frame rate there again. I'd like to go ahead and make this area completely flat. Make a storage shed. Ah, Samuel, getting in the way. By the way, someone left a funny comment saying that I should name my dog something else. Like, someone was watching my video at 2 o'clock in the morning, so whoever's doing that, well, Anyway, we'll just keep mining over here. So we've got a clear patch to work with at the moment. Happy with that. I have worked out that my audio's not working again, which is really strange and odd. Every time this happens, every time. And I try and get my sound working, and every time it fails. So, yes, it's probably just an issue with my capture card being a pain in the neck. So, we'll cut down this tree, and then we should be good to go. So, yes, we'll just keep going this way. And like I said, it is pretty easy. Look at this. Ah, my dog's hiding there. Yes. So, by the way, we have an interesting video coming up soon. I plan to do some PvP in Minecraft, and then also do some Robocraft for a while and collaborate with some of my friends on that. So hopefully it will be really fun to work with on that. Now, as you can see, this is, I'm not going to go ahead and flatten this whole entire area. I just want to try and get this area as cleared as much as I can, and potentially we'll build on this. Who knows? So depending, we might be able to get this sorted. Now, all of it's connected in a way. Oh yeah, I haven't actually got horses either, and I'd love to get horses and a ocelot, which would be nice. We've got to find those, but it takes forever to find them. So, yes. Right. So that's looking good. Time's looking good. And yes, we're trying to film 10-minute episodes of, well, you can't really get things in big episodes. So sometimes I might have to cut it because when I uploaded such a big video, it took forever, but also apparently it wasn't the best. So as you can see, the whole area is now flat. I've got tons of wood. I've got nearly 50. I want about probably a stack. So cut a few more trees down. All of this area has to go as well because, well, yeah. Let's do that. Beautiful. And just keep cutting it there and going ahead like so. Oh yeah, I've just realized the microphone's been in the wrong direction. Oh, crikey. Oh, I got an apple. Been a long time since I got one of those. This probably can actually be flattened as well. It's probably just an uneven generated chunk. Okay. I just keep clearing it and clearing it and clearing it. Oh, there's the nether biome, which I never ever got around to finishing, putting lava and stuff in there. So yes, I want to get this whole entire area flattened so we can build on it because, well, I want to build a storage shed. I want to build a furnacing kind of area so I can put tons of furnaces in there and workshops and things. So that would be nice if we could do something like that. Oh, this is a big tree. Oh, I failed that very miserably. Well done, me. Let's just get back up here. All of it will eventually be connected, most likely. So I'll be good. Okay, so we've cleared the area. As you can see, looking nicely good, nice. Other than that, I think we can connect all of this area, which will be good. Hopefully, it will all lead up into the main area. So this is going to be like the mainland of it all. So that'll be good. Right, yes, I just cheated there and changed the time. So pretty much, I think this is going to be more of a working area and also, you know, building lots of things. I want to start building a few more things instead of just always, you know, working as a survive and thrive series. But also we might make a few really cool things like that. Bingo. Right, so now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and woohoo! The area is nice and clean, nice and clear, and hopefully by the end of this video it'll be clear and we'll start building some things, which will be good. Whew. Looking very nice indeed. Okay, so that's now that. Now what I want to do is I kind of want to build oh, that's really cool, but I want it all flat. There we go. So what I now do is I want to build a proper bridge that we can use. It goes from there to here. We're going to make it 4, I reckon. And I'll just get rid of that, that, and that. I'm just going to craft some wood. Well, that was a massive glitch. Right, anyway. So we've got our wood. Just change that over. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we'll do is we'll eventually make it look good. There we go. There we go. So, like so. Obviously, it's going to be a while for building, so bear with me on that. We will be... oh, yeah. I've also forgot to mention, we will be using... Samuel, come here. Oh, phew. Just sit. Right. Oh, he's looking a little angry at me. So what we need to now do is I'm just going to build across like so. And try and get on the platform. Beautiful. And obviously, as you can see now, we are going ahead and building along like that. And obviously we have a proper bridge now, so we can get across, and we're going to have to make this look beautiful. So hopefully this video hasn't been too boring. It might actually, don't know. But what we'll do is we will finish that like so, as you can see, looking really good. Alright, that took less than a stack. It took 60 blocks to build. And now what I want to do is kind of maybe put that like so, and then eventually build it in somehow to the gates. But as you can see, we have a bridge now, and we can go ahead and obviously, well, good boy. We can go ahead and start building where we are. Like, there's a ton of work to be done, but once it's done, it's going to look great. Obviously, all of this will be flat and things, and then we can start building all kinds of fancy stuff. I actually haven't seen whatever is, like, whatever is, I haven't seen what's here. Like, I've never actually seen what is over here. It's probably just a lot of grassy and lots of grass and, oh, no, it looks different. Not bad. Let's have a look what's down here. Oh, it's some kind of abandoned cave. Oh, yeah. All this iron. I might happily help myself to that. Oh, yeah, there goes the key. Oh, it's only one. Oh, well. And there's definitely a cave to explore. Woohoo! Well, that will be another episode, exploring caves. So, this is a bit of a random video, but I like this place. This world is actually not bad. So, we will be doing some more exploring, and definitely going ahead and, my settings have been reset again. Great. And we'll definitely be doing some more mods as well, especially jetpacks. We'll be definitely building a jetpack soon. And yeah, we'll try our best and have a lot of fun at the same time. Oh, what's this? Is that? Oh, okay, I was about to say the world had a bit of a generation error issue there. Oh, well. Anyway, guys, we've just hit our 10-minute mark, roughly. Anyway, so today's episode was pretty boring, I probably admit. We just literally built a bridge and flattened stuff, but at least it keeps us busy. My dog Samuel and I, well, we've had fun, hopefully. What I want to do before I finish up, though, is definitely put a fence across here and then start building onwards. Anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching this episode once again, and if you did enjoy it, a like, rating, and a subscription would be kindly appreciated. Anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye!